Burj Khalifa, located in Dubai, United Arab Emirates, is the tallest building in the world, standing at 828 meters, 2,717 feet. Its construction began in 2004 and was completed in 2010. The official opening took place on January 4, 2010. The building was designed by Adrian Smith from the American architecture firm Skidmore, Owings and Merrill, Soame. The shape of the tower was inspired by the Hymenocallis flower, a desert plant. Its unique design helps reduce wind force on the tower. Burj Khalifa has 163 floors, plus additional levels for mechanical purposes. It includes residential apartments, corporate offices, the Armani Hotel, restaurants, and observation decks. One of the most famous observation points is the at the top deck on the 124th floor, and later a higher deck opened on the 148th floor. The tower was built by Samsung C&T of South Korea, along with local and international partners. Over 12,000 workers were involved during its peak construction. Burj Khalifa is not just a symbol of modern engineering, but also represents Dubai's vision, ambition, and rapid growth into a global city.